Hey guys, Chris here, and in the past 7 trading days, Dogecoin has gained more than 500% in value, reaching an all-time high of around 43 cents, but since then has dipped down and currently trading around 31 cents. But still guys, just 7 days ago they were trading for less than 10 cents, so that is still exceptional, incredible type of growth, especially if you're heavily invested into Dogecoin. That is life-changing type of profits and life-changing type of money. So in this video, I basically want to talk about why there was a huge run-up and then a little bit of a sell-off, and the type of potential that Dogecoin has if it ever reaches $1. And $1 could again be life-changing type of money for many people. I'm gonna try to give you guys the most up-to-date information that I possibly could find to make sure you guys are the most up-to-date. And if this is something you like and you do enjoy, please remember to give me a big thumbs up. It does help me out, guys. So without further ado, let's talk about Dogecoin. Dogecoin at the moment of the video is trading for 29 cents, okay? This one trading day, they dropped 18.62%. They are currently trading as the 8th largest cryptocurrency out there in the market right now, with a market cap of $38.7 billion. When they reached their all-time high of around 43 cents, they had a market cap of around $45 billion, maybe even more. They have a market dominance right now of 1.9% and a 24-hour volume of $5.05 billion. And in the past 24 hours, guys, is where Dogecoin was heavily traded and heavily bought. All right, so always keep that in mind. This 24-hour volume does fluctuate a lot as the price as Dogecoin goes up and down as well. And right now, as this graph is showing, guys, there has been a little bit of a sell-off for Dogecoin, and they're currently trading around 30 cents, okay? But that doesn't really mean much for a lot of investors. In the past 7 days, we look at this graph, look at this huge run-up right here, all right? So guys, let's talk about this huge run-up right here when it comes to Dogecoin, because many people are very interested in this run-up that happened right here, right? What exactly happened in this point in time? What is actually going on for Dogecoin right here? And that's exactly what we're going to talk about in this video. But right here around this line is the resistance line for Dogecoin. And still, guys, many people do believe that Dogecoin does have the potential to reach $1. And like I was saying, and I must probably say throughout all my Dogecoin videos, that is very life-changing money. If you guys bought around this area when it was around $6 or $7, guys, that is huge amounts of profits and return. There's many people saying that if you would have put $1,000 back into Dogecoin in the beginning of the year, that $1,000 would have been returned to $80,000, which is true, but a lot of people don't have a time machine to go back in time and invest money into Dogecoin. So what do we investors do? We try to invest in great opportunities. So right here, even though there is a little bit of a sell-off, is that a good opportunity to start buying into more Dogecoin, because you can see that this is the potential that it actually has to keep on running up in the near future, especially with many people backing up Dogecoin. And who is the one famous person that keeps on backing up Dogecoin? That's right, Elon Musk. Dogecoin rallying higher with Musk's constant backing. And what does Elon Musk always like to do? He likes to go on Twitter and basically express his opinions. One of the first tweets that he ever sent out was this one about Dogecoin. Dogecoin standards taking over the global financial system. He posted this on July 17, year 2020. But the most recent tweet that he posted was the one that is actually the real reason to why Dogecoin has been coming up. He called this one Doge barking at the moon, signaling that Dogecoin is ready to take off and hit the moon. And many people start buying into Dogecoin. Dogecoin became the #1 trending topic on Twitter. So when it comes to Twitter and types of trending topics, Dogecoin was the next big thing. And even with that amount of demand, it did surely break Robinhood. Dogecoin surges to all-time high, temporarily breaking Robinhood's crypto trading systems. There was a point in time when Robinhood couldn't keep up with the orders, that the orders to buy Dogecoin temporarily halted for about an hour and a half. But after an hour and a half, people were still having some sorts of issues buying and selling Dogecoin. Many people were obviously upset because they did miss out on a lot of profits, or taking out money, or just trying to get it in a pretty good price target, and they could not do it. There's people that tried to take out money and they were having trouble taking out the entirety of that profit, and they just couldn't really do it. The system was recovered in about an hour, meaning customers could trade with some intermittent issues. We were back to normal within 2 hours. On Friday morning, we saw a similar spike in activity as Dogecoin rose to nearly 50 cents. For Robinhood, this led to a sporadic crypto order failures and delayed notifications for some customers. Obviously, if you were one of those customers, you were extremely set on Robinhood. When it comes to Robinhood, guys, crypto may not be the thing that does portray Robinhood. In other cases, you may be interested in more cryptocurrency platforms, for example, like a Coinbase. Wait a minute, Coinbase does not list Dogecoin, okay? So now let's talk about Coinbase and how they missed a lot of profits. Coinbase misses out on Dogecoin listing as meme token rallies 6,000% on Binance, okay? Coinbase is the first publicly traded crypto platform on the market, and they do not have Dogecoin on one of those 50 cryptos that you could actually buy. The only thing you can actually do is have Dogecoin on your watch list. But this is crazy because if Coinbase did have it, just imagine all the types of transactions that and money and revenue that Coinbase could have actually made from Dogecoin just the past couple days. And Coinbase literally flopped by not having Dogecoin on their list, okay? And they did miss out on a lot of profits. This article doesn't say how much money they actually missed out on. All we know is that Binance actually took advantage of this, and I'm pretty sure Binance took a lot of revenue moving forward, okay? This just kind of shows you that Dogecoin is not a joke anymore. Dogecoin is something to start to look into entirely. Remember, guys, Dogecoin was set just as a joke. But now Dogecoin is the 8th biggest cryptocurrency out there in the market. And just think about it, guys. Coinbase has 50. If Dogecoin is better than the other 42 coins that are there, there is something going on. If Dogecoin is a joke, then what is that telling you guys about the other 40 something, right? And there's way more than 50. That's just the amounts that Coinbase actually has. So now people just have to start taking Dogecoin a little bit more seriously, okay, guys? So when it comes to Dogecoin and whether or not you guys are ready to take profits, or if you guys are tired of hearing about Dogecoin, because many people always talk about Dogecoin nowadays, especially when it starts trending, and people do get upset with Elon Musk because he does inflate the price of Dogecoin. But what is next for Dogecoin, okay? Is Dogecoin going to reach these all-time highs again? That is something that many people want to know and hear about. Because if you guys could get into Dogecoin around these areas, around these prices right here, right? If you guys could get into Dogecoin around these prices, and the price of this shoots up to 50, 60 cents, you're basically doubling your money in the amount of time that you have this money hold it in. Okay, or if you guys are scared that Dogecoin might step back down from 30 cents, you guys are buying into it, and then drops down to 5, 6 cents, you guys are losing a lot of money. Okay, so what's a great opportunity for Dogecoin? Okay, to be honest with you guys, moving forward, in my opinion, cryptocurrencies entirely, the whole platform of cryptos, is going to really benefit long term, because cryptos are going to take over the financial institutions, in my opinion. Okay, federal banks and all these federal institutions are going to start using more and more cryptocurrencies. Okay, and if Dogecoin becomes one of these main cryptos that is heavily traded, Dogecoin will start to really profit and really make noise. Okay, so if you guys could hold Dogecoin for a really long time, it could really make you guys a lot of money. And this is not the first time that Dogecoin has actually had a surge. Dogecoin has actually had 2 or 3 different occasions where it started to surge. For example, number 1 is here, where Elon Musk started pumping out Dogecoin a little bit more. The second one is right here, again, when Elon Musk started pumping out Dogecoin. The third one's right here, and obviously the last one has been this one, where Elon Musk and other people just keep on buying into more and more Dogecoin. And if these high type celebrities keep on buying into Dogecoin and giving up their opinions on Dogecoin, more people might start to get more interested. Just look at how this volume graph right here started to really surge on how Dogecoin started to get heavily traded. Now that all these people are getting into Dogecoin, that could really signal that Dogecoin is getting the attention that it actually needs. There could be a point where Dogecoin actually hits $1, maybe even $10 in the near future, if you guys could hold this. If you guys could hold this long term and stomach the type of volatility and stomach buying at 40 cents, letting it go down to 5, 6 cents, but knowing the profit will await you, Dogecoin could probably be it, guys. Because if you guys don't have a really heavy stomach, the whole cryptocurrency, guys, is extremely volatile. Bitcoin is volatile. Ethereum is volatile. XRP, all these cryptos are extremely volatile. If you cannot stomach volatility, guys, don't get into cryptocurrencies, especially don't get into Dogecoin. All right, guys, that's basically my opinion. But I really think Dogecoin will probably hit $1 in the near future. And me, my fiance, my daughter, we're all invested into Dogecoin. My cousins, and even my friends are invested into Dogecoin because we believe in Dogecoin long term. All right, just like Elon Musk, the takeover of Dogecoin is inevitable. All right, guys, so that's basically the video on Dogecoin. Hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you guys did enjoy the video, please let me know down in the comment section. If you guys are sick and tired of hearing about Dogecoin in every social media platform, let me know down in the comment section. Also, let me know how much money you guys have profited from Dogecoin during this recent sell-up, and how much did you take out during the sell-off, just to make sure I get each and other information I possibly can. As always, I'll try to give you guys the most up-to-date information. And if you guys do enjoy this types of videos, please remember to give me a big thumbs up. They'll help me out. And if you guys do like this sort of content, please remember to give me a big subscription bonus by subscribing down to the channel. It also helps me out. All right, guys, so thank you all for watching. Have a great day. Have a good night. Sleep well. Wake up good. And see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye.